Hi, everyone. Welcome to the Data Science and Computation Society um, Data Science Jeopardy event. I am Malika, and I am the Vice President of DISC. And we have a fun little game for everyone to get to learn more about data science and data analysis, as well as having some more fun while learning everything. So let me share my screen to the Data Science and Jeopardy game. Let's see. Let's have everyone be their own team. So Jalen will be his own team, Zach will be his own team, and Malika will be her own team. Does that sound good with everybody? Great. And we have, I think, one more person joining us right now. So Ramisa is our webmaster, and she can also be her own team as well. We will get started. And it's okay if you don't know the answers to the question. This is just for fun as well as learning. So it's okay if you don't know the answers. Let's get started. Let me share my screen. So this is the Data Science Jeopardy. Oops, okay. So what we'll do is we'll create 4 teams. So everyone will be their own individual teams. All right, and now we can get started. So let's have, okay, what just happened? All right, so let's have Zach go first. Zachary.
Oh God. Okay. So how do I just tell you which one to pick?
Yeah, you can just pick any category. There's key terms, algorithms, resampling, and plots.
I know nothing about this. Let's do key terms for 100.
Sure. All right. The number that occurs most frequently in a distribution.
Okay, I'm in stats, so I got a shot at this. Mode.
Let's see if you're correct. Mode is correct. Good job. Let's do, there we go. All right. Now, because you got the first one correct, you can pick another category.
Malika, quick question. Is there a prize?
We haven't really decided on a prize, but if you feel like, if whoever has the most points will give them some small reward, like let's say whatever their favorite candy is, we'll give you your favorite candy as a reward. How about that? Does that sound good with everybody?
If it gets you guys to be a little bit more competitive, I don't know.
If there's watermelon Sour Patch Kids on the table, I'll do anything.
Whatever your favorite candy is, we will give you.
All right. I'll try resampling for 200.
Resampling for 200. Okay. How many times is cross-validation computed run?
Twice.
Let's see.
That's going to be like a ridiculously high number.
K times.
So
K is the type of, it can be designated a number. That I will not tell you the number because that is another question in this data science Jeopardy, but that is the amount of times that it is run in the cross-validation term. So that is the term that is used. All right, so you tried your best, but that actually helps you in learning more about statistics, because for the next level of statistics, you might be learning this. So now you got ahead of the game.
Oh, no, I'm taking stat basic and that's it.
Well, that's okay because it's still good to know for any, data science, data analysis. All right, so let's go to Malika. Malika, you can pick any category you would like.
I'll just do key terms for 200.
Key terms for 200. All right. Data
Oh.
points that fall in a symmetrical bell-shaped curve. What is that called?
So is it asking like the type of distribution or?
It's asking like what is the term for
Oh,
this
okay.
definition?
Is it a normal distribution?
Let's check. That is correct. Normal distribution. Good job. All right, that is good. All right, now we'll move on. So Malika, you can pick another category.
Algorithms for 100.
Algorithms for 100. Okay. What algorithm uses R squared as a metric?
Yes, I don't know this one.
You can give your best guess.
Okay.
I'll give you a few more seconds to answer.
A coding algorithm? I don't know.
Let's check. Regression. Regression algorithm uses R square as a metric. All right. Well, you gave your best shot, and that's really good because now you're learning. All right, so now we can move on to Ramisa.
Oh, geez. I mean, I'm an officer. Would it be fair? I mean, I can play just for the sake of playing, because I'm not gonna take prizes, because I think that'd be a little bit unfair. But also I'm a little dumb. So let's go with plot 100.
Plots 100. What plot groups by relationship?
How much time do I have?
Let's say 30 seconds.
So is it scatter plot?
Let's check. A
Oh.
dendrogram. So for those who don't know what a dendrogram is, let me show you guys a picture. A dendrogram looks like this. So it's multiple.
We can't see the picture.
Okay, let me see if I can show again. So
Yes,
this
now
is what a dendrogram looks like. This is usually most used for data visualization as well as helping with clustering and things like that. So that is what a dendrogram looks like. All right, let's go back to the game. All right, Jalen, you can pick a category.
Can I have key terms for 300? I'll attempt it.
Could you repeat which category?
Key terms for 300.
Key terms for 300. How spread out the data, sorry. This term is for how spread out the data is. So how different the values are. What is the term for that?
Hmm. I don't know if I can answer this one. I really don't know anything about computer science. I just thought that this would be fun.
That's okay. You don't have to know anything about, data science or data analysis. It's just a helpful way to learn more about it and statistics as well. What would you like to guess?
No, I don't want to guess because I know it's not going to be the right answer. That's
And
actually
that's
on my mind
okay.
right now.
All right, let's reveal the answer. Variability is how spread out the data is, or how different the values are. All right, now we can go back to Zachary.
God, okay. Let's try algorithm resampling for 100. Actually, I'll take the easy one.
Resampling for 100. What is the basic train test split?
That's a good question. I have no idea what that even is. So I'm gonna let the dude at Jeopardy do that, like the little buzzer.
Sure. Does anybody else know the answer before we reveal the correct response? Okay, well, I'm going to reveal the response. It's 80-20. 80-20 is the basic train test split. It's usually used a lot in statistics when it comes to like hypothesis testing and things like that. All right, Malika, if you would like to.
I would just do 200 for plots.
Algorithms for 200?
No, plots.
Oh, plots. Okay. What are the 5 values needed to make a box and whisker plot?
The median is one of them.
Okay, median,
The first quartile,
first
the third
quartile,
quartile,
third,
and the min and the max.
min and max. Let's check if that's correct. Look at that. Minimum, first quartile, medium, third quartile, and maximum. Awesome. All right. You can pick another category.
$200 for algorithms.
200 for algorithms. What algorithm often uses log loss as a metric?
Hypothesis tests. Wait.
I'm sorry, a what?
Hypothesis test is just a guess.
Let's check. A logistic regression. So there's a normal regression and a logistics regression. In a logistics regression, you use log loss and you use R squared in a normal regression. Ramisa, would you like to spectate or would you like to go?
I can do either, but I think I'm just gonna embarrass myself more as I answer the questions and keep getting them wrong. So it's up to you.
Well, it's okay. Participation helps everybody. So you can go if you'd like.
All right, then I'm gonna go with key terms 400.
Key terms 400. How to describe a relationship when high levels of one variable are related to low levels of another variable.
Oh, high levels of one. Can I get a hint?
A hint. Let's see. It's related to correlation.
Would I know the answer if I had just taken stat 250?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. I feel like I know the answer, but I just can't. Oh.
Would anybody else like to guess on what the answer could be? Hint is it's related to correlation.
Is it positive correlation?
Let's see. It's actually negative relationship,
Oh.
negative correlation.
Oh,
I feel so stupid.
That's okay because let's see. So when there's like low levels of one variable and high levels of another, that causes a negative relationship. So if you see that one is higher and one is lower, that is a negative slope, is it? So then if you see low levels and then high levels, then it becomes a positive relationship. Like that. All right. It looks like Luke has joined us. Hi, Luke. We are playing Data Science Jeopardy, and we do have maybe we can have you join a team. Ramisa, would you like to have Luke on your team?
Sure. I mean, I'm at a nice 0, so.
Let's go.
Jalen, it's your turn to pick a category.
Can I have plots for 300?
Plots for 300. What were the dendrogram branches called?
I think I might know this one. I did take statistics in high school. Is it called clades or something?
Let's check. Clays is correct. Good job. That's awesome. Good job, Clays is correct. All right. You can go pick another category.
I'll take plots for 400.
Plots for 400.
Yeah.
What package is used in R for dendrograms?
I don't think I learned this one. However, I'll try to make a guess.
Sure.
Is it a G graph?
A G graph?
Yes, like the G is like with the actual word graph.
Let's see. So it's actually GG dendra. So if you've heard of ggplot, that is usually what is used to pull packages for plots. And so then you add the GG dendra. So there can be a box plot, there can be many different kinds, bar graphs. So of course the GG is what comes in front because you are pulling up a GG plot. So yeah, In R, this is the package is used to make dendrograms. Good guess, though. All right, Zachary, it looks like it's your turn again.
All right, let's try algorithms for 400.
Algorithms for 400.
All right, let's see this.
What algorithm uses rules to classify?
Oh, wow. Okay. I'm an atmospheric science major. I'm just like taking a guess at this. Let's go with something I don't know.
Would someone else like to guess quickly before we reveal the answer?
I'm gonna take a guess in the shot. Is it gonna be KNN?
Let's check to see if that is correct. Luke, if you would like to guess an answer, then yes, you definitely can.
I'm gonna say decision tree.
Decision tree. Okay, let's check. Decision trees is correct.
That's what I was gonna say.
Good job. Okay, that's great. Awesome. Decision trees is correct. All right, since Luke got the point, Luke can pick the next category.
Algorithms for 500.
Algorithms for 500. What algorithm ensembles rules?
Am I on a team still? I don't know who my teammate is.
Yeah, you're with Ramisa.
All right, not a final answer, but I think ensemble, that it's something with bagging, maybe AdaBoost, I think is an ensemble.
Ramisa, since you're on the same team, do you have a guess?
No, I was also gonna say AdaBoost.
All right, well, let's go with it.
All right, let's reveal the answer. Random forest is the correct answer that assembles rules. Random
Does
forest.
AdaBoost count? I guess not, but
I think it's because AdaBoost is machine learning, so maybe they're not looking into that.
I mean,
Machine learning is very much
related.
more in-depth data science. We're doing like basic data science, basic data analysis, you know, just to get people to help understand. All right. Malika, you can go. It's your turn to pick a category.
Plots 500.
Plots 500. All right. List at least 2 libraries in R that is used for data visualization.
ggplot
Okay.
and ggextra.
Okay, let's check. We have, these are some of them, and because that one is not listed, I will count that as correct because that is also something that is used for data visualization, but even though it's not listed, you do get the points for that. Good job, Malika. All right, you can pick another category.
Key terms 500.
Key terms 500. Range of values within which the parameter is estimated to be at a specified probability. What key term is that?
Can I get a hint?
The hint is at the end of the
Okay.
sentence.
Confidence level?
Let's see. Confidence interval. So confidence level. I
I
don't
thought
know.
that first, but like I thought,
What do you guys think? You think she should get the point, or you think that it's an incorrect answer?
You know, the competitive side of me would say it's wrong, but you know, I think she was pretty close, but I don't know if the other people agree, if you guys want to be more competitive, but I think it's pretty close.
I think it was pretty close too. All right. Malika gets the point. Good job, Malika. All right, you can pick another category.
yes, give me a second. Resampling 300.
Resampling 300. So what is K? So you remember when Zachary answered one of the questions and the answer was K times. So what is K?
The number of like terms.
So it's usually like a specific number. Do you know?
Oh, it's a
what K-
specific number. Okay, let's see. Then. 0.5. I don't know.
Let's check. Actually, before we check, would anybody else like to guess?
Is it like some random obscure number like 2.5 or something? Or 2.6 or 7 or 8? I don't know.
Let's
Just something like that.
see.
Oh,
5 or 10. Is usually the number of times K times is. All right. So actually, let's give the turn to Jalen.
I'll do algorithms for 300.
Okay. What algorithm is applied in deep learning?
Oh, wow. Give me 1 second to think about that. Is it a machine learning algorithm?
Similar, yes. Deep learning machine, yes. And it's okay if you don't know the answer. Give your
Yeah, I don't know
best
the
guess.
exact I don't know the exact answer, but like I just know it's a machine learning algorithm.
Oops, what did I do? Okay, never mind. Going back to the question. Okay.
Can you share the answer?
You don't know the answer?
Yeah, I don't know the actual answer to it. I just know it's machine learning, something around related to that.
Would anybody else like to guess the answer?
Are you asking for like some of the most popular algorithms in deep learning?
It's a specific algorithm.
Okay. Luke, do you want to like give an answer, and then maybe I'll give mine?
Yeah, what are you thinking? I'm thinking back propagation.
I was thinking, because I don't know if she's thinking like maybe neural networks is enough, or if it's like CNN, but
CNN is a deep learning algorithm.
yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, I don't know if that's the one she's thinking of.
I don't know. It could, yeah, you're right. It could be, that's like a whole class of,
Yeah.
there's a billion.
Uh,
Final
I'll go
answer,
with
the question is
CNN.
wrong.
Yeah, but like neural network is also one, but that's like a type. I don't know.
Okay.
CNN.
Would you like to give CNN or neural network?
CNN.
CNN.
All right, I'm revealing the answer. It was
Oh my
neural
god.
networks.
Wait, but that's, a neural network could be not deep. Like it could be perceptron or whatever, the one that's like one layer.
That is
Yeah.
true also. This is also a specific type. It's one of the
Okay.
more, easier ones to remember as well. So
So can we get a point? Because it's still like a deep learning algorithm.
you guys tried your best.
Yeah, can we get pity points? This question sucks.
I'm sorry, guys.
It's okay.
All right. So Zachary,
Oh God. Okay. Let's try for 400.
400. What is the technical name of the error rate?
Screw ups.
Screw ups. Is that your final answer, or are you actually?
That's the closest I'm gonna get to it.
Does anybody else want to guess what the technical name of the error rate is?
I guess I'll just throw something random. Maybe like rejection rate, or like a false rejection rate, or I don't know.
Okay, let's reveal the correct answer. Misclassification rate is the technical name. Screw ups is one of the more not technical or not professional, but misclassification is the correct term. All right, it looks like let's give the last round to everybody. Everybody's gonna get this last round to guess the answer. It's a free-for-all. What are the steps of cross-validation? Would anybody like to guess? It's up in the air. Nobody knows.
Is one of them to divide the data set?
I'm not exactly sure. I don't remember myself either. So this has been a learning moment for me too. How about we check the correct response? So it looks like the first, Jalen was correct. Dividing is correct. The first step is divide the observations in K groups or folds. The first fold is treated as a validation set, and then the procedure is repeated. So that is the steps of cross validation. And we've completed data science Jeopardy. And it looks like Malika got the most points. So Malika, what is your favorite candy? Or chocolate?
I
Malika,
just like the Hershey's one.
oh, anything Hershey?
I guess mostly milk chocolate.
Okay, that sounds good. I'll definitely bring that for you. But to everybody, thank you so much for your participation. It's been really, really great. I hope you all definitely learned something from this data science Jeopardy, as well as having fun at the same time. And yeah, this week was the entire welcome week, and we will be posting all the videos on YouTube for everybody to see, for those who weren't able to come for the previous ones. And next week, we will be having Microsoft Azure. I'm sorry, I may have mispronounced that, but Microsoft Azure is going to be coming, and we're going to be doing a meet and greet with them. So it's going to be a hybrid event with in-person and online info session as well. It's going to be on September 15th, Wednesday, from 4 to 6. So feel free to come and join us. We will be posting more information on our Instagram, on GroupMe, and all those places. So definitely make sure you're checking out all those places. I will be putting the link tree below. So the link tree has the registration for the Microsoft Azure event, and hope to see you all there. Let me type it in really quickly. All right, so that is our link tree. Definitely register for that event, and we'll see you all then. But otherwise, have a great rest of your day and a great rest of your weekend. Of course. Thank you so much for coming. Bye, everyone.